Good morning and welcome to the ABQ Sewing Studio, and today I want to take you on a tour of our new Christmas and holiday room, which is upstairs at the ABQ Sewing Studio. And in July we are having a sale, 20% off all holiday fabrics. So let's go up into our what I call our belfry upstairs to our former box room and see the transformation. So at the back of the building, up the stairs, which are a little bit on the steep side, but we have a railing, is our wonderful holiday room. And displayed on the walls are a few projects. We have kits and patterns for the most of them. And let's just turn around so we can walk into the holiday room. Isn't this fun? So we have our Halloween section. Can't really get far enough back to see everything here. We've got some wonderful samples on the walls. All of our holiday fabrics. And just a really cute display set up here for you. We've got quite a large variety of patterns, perfect for the upcoming holiday season, including books, embroidery patterns for machine embroidery, of course your patchwork and piecing as well. Lots of fat quarters have been cut. There are samples of some of my own Christmas patterns under the Among Brenda's Quilts label. Oh, there's my Christmas tree. And I just treated myself to an embroidery machine, my first one, and I did some cute little ornaments for the tree. They're a Juju cupcake pattern. If you're in a machine embroidery, you'll know about Juju patterns. Some more of my items. This is called Granny's Attic. If I can get far enough back to show you Granny's Attic. There. Oh, we have this snow globe pattern back in stock. Someone had left their name for us to call them when it came in, and we lost the note, so hopefully you're watching. Then we have our cozy corner. And that's another one of my patterns for a pillow called Angels Watching Over Me. And one of my fast to finish table runners, which are perfect for the holidays. This is my holiday advent calendar. Really sweet. And that's a pattern we sell here too. So what fun is this, ladies? So if you are able to climb stairs, we do invite you to come up to our Christmas room and check it out. Take advantage of the savings for July of 2025. And we'll leave this set up all year round so that when you're ready to start your Christmas projects, we'll be ready for you. Thanks for joining me.